Hey everybody, back here EMD Automotive. We just finished cutting all the exhaust off, meaning not the actual exhaust, but cutting and drilling the bolts out of the actual, get the light there, get the light, on this 930 turbo. So as you can see, had to remove that as one piece because that's all rusted there. Turbo's all, that's a turbo there, it's all rusted. The whole exhaust is rusted as well. This part here is all rusted. Spent a lot of time trying to just drill it and kept drilling. Eventually I got it out. So I'll get the light here so I can show you guys. So here, look at all that. That was seized in there, so I had to cut that part off. Look at that bolt. Look at that bolt there. It's already rusted. Look at that. It's gone. So look at this one here. Look at that. You can just punch your hand and you can put your finger in there and just push it straight through, straight in. Just rusted. So most of this steel part will be replaced. New exhaust as well, new turbo, new injection system. But just looking at the valve, it's the exhaust valve there. So I'm going to strip down the heads and send it away to get it machined and pressure tested and see if they're all good. Any and even the piston as well, we're going to remove that as well. We're going to weigh the piston as well compared to the other ones. So yeah, this is a quick video to show. Man, it's really painful to do the drilling, but got it done, no damage, so it's perfect. Sometimes you can drill and you can actually snap it in there, but that's alright. Come through here. That's all the injection system in there. In here, I'm gonna, so just spin it around. Spin around, yep, keep going. Keep going, keep going. So, alright, what we're going to do now, we're going to sit it straight. Yeah, we're going to put the timing in top to center. And we're going to remove all this, strip all that down individually. Cam cover, chains, cam shaft, cam box. Slowly we'll get there, but we're getting very close to actually stripping the middle. So, alright, just a quick video to show what I'm doing. And man, so much rust here. We're gonna get a new rear main seal as well. And once I get it apart, I'm going to check both halves and check all the tolerance on the actual other engine bits as well. And we'll go from there. Okay. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.